Hello students of Standard 7th. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with a new unit from your My English Reader Future World. Hello students of Standard 8th. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with a new topic from your practice book Active and Passive. Dear students, let us watch a video and have a clear concept on active and passive voice. Let us see what is given in the introduction of this unit. The future world. Science is taking quantum leaps. In this progress of science and technology, many new products have come up in the market. Given below are some predictions about a very funny products that technology might produce in future. Let us read the following prediction and enjoy. Prediction 1. By the year 2020, shower bath will be replaced by magnetic cleaning. Dirt will be negatively charged and repelled from the body in less than 2 seconds. Prediction number 2. In the year 2023, if you get sick, you will be placed on a belt and will carry you through high-tech equipment that will automatically diagnose and then fix the problem. If required, the mechanical arms using lasers will perform microsurgery. If you cannot be repaired, you will be used for parts. Prediction number 3. In the year 2025, hydrogen-fueled bionic legs will be able to propel a human at a speed of 55 mph on a flat surface. Bionic legs will cost 1 lakh. Air brakes will be optional. Prediction number 4. In the year 2030, cars will be able to carry on intelligent conversations with the driver. There will be no need to take companions with you. Prediction number 5. In the year 2035, fly swatters will be replaced with small laser capable of vaporizing a fly in the air at 20 feet, but a malfunction may cause a hole in your wall. Prediction number 6. In the year 2040, cellular phones will be connected directly to the eardrum. Small areas will be surgically implanted, following the curve of the ears. The numbers will be dialed with vocal commands. Many people will be seen talking to themselves. Just now we have read very funny predictions. Like this, you also think 4 predictions and write them in the boxes given. Read the following thoughts and put it against the one which you think might start occurring in the near future. The sun rises at night along with the stars. The Himalayas go deep down into the ice once again. Milk is supplied directly to our homes through pipelines. Coffee starts growing on trees. Students carry floppies, CDs and pen drives to school instead of books and notebooks. Don't you think that life will become totally different if these changes takes place in future? Just think and imagine some more events that you think might occur in future and list them in the space given below. Now let us read the poem For the World Tomorrow. The poem is originally written by Sunil Gangopadhyay in Bengali, and the poem is translated to English by Shailya Sengupta. We do not know if the world will live for a century or more. We do not know if a deluge one day will sweep away the last man alive. We do not know if the world one day will end up like the Hiroshima. We do not know whether the Himalayas would sink into the Thais Ocean once more. We do not know whether our nails would be like sharpened daggers. We do not know whether people would stay blind and deaf to words of love. We do not know whether the word freedom would be written on the pages of history alone. We do not know if a historian would live to pen down events in the hall of time. We do not know if one day we would have no more questions to ask. Yet then, we will live to dream of a beautiful world. We will give our sweat and tears for the world tomorrow and leave behind at least a dream for those to follow. Now let us see what the poet wants to convey. The poet has expressed his deep concern about the future world. He fears that world might live only for a century. He fears heavy floods will swipe away the last man. One day, the world will end up like Hiroshima. Himalayas would sink into the Thais Ocean. Thais Ocean means an ancient ocean. Our nails will become sharp daggers. People will stay blind and deaf to the word of love. Word freedom would be written on the pages of history. Our all questions will end up. But despite fears for the future world, the poet wants us to live the dream of a beautiful world and to give our sweat and tears for it. Now, dear students, on the basis of your reading of the poem, complete the statements given below by ticking the correct choices. The poet fears that the world might live only for one day. The world might end up like the Himalayas, might sink into thee. Our nails would be like the word freedom would be written on the pages of. Again, on the basis of your reading of the poem, make a train of the events that might take place in the future world by filling up the given boxes. Dear students, the poet expresses his grave concern about the future world and dreads the occurrence of deluge. Do you think the poet's apprehension can become a reality? If yes, what would be the consequences? Values. Despite fears for the future world, the poet wants us to live and dream for a beautiful world and to give our sweat and tears for it. List at least 5 values we need to foster in order to make this world more beautiful. Dear students, here we end our today's session. We will continue with this same unit in our next session. Have a nice day. Thank you.